Okay, so right now, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ma-boost ang performance ng inyong PCs through Windows. So, gagawin natin is punta tayo dito sa search bar and type in lang natin msconfig and enter natin and lalabas ng system configuration, or pwede rin namang dun sa other computers, ang gawin natin is type in yung run and lalabas na ganito, run, and type in the same msconfig. That's msconfig. So, msconfig and click OK. And lalabas ng system configuration. So, what you want to do is pupunta tayo dito sa boot. First of all, if ang gamit mo is SSD, NVMe, M.2, so any of the likes, basta SSD ang gamit mo, pwede mong gawin is pindutin mo no GUI boot and then gawin mo tong 3 seconds. So in that way, so mas mabilis siya magbo-boot and dagdag fast, no? Dagdag bilis dun sa iyong computer. So other than that, what you want to do is punta ka dito sa advanced options. Pag ang processor mo ay let's say kagaya nung sa akin 8 core 16 threads, so click mo lang yung check box dyan. And pwede mong piliin up to 16 cores. So, depende to kung ilang cores and threads yung processor mo. So, yung iba, like Ryzen 5 or i5, 6 cores, 12 threads. So, hanggang 12 lang yung lalabas dito. And for others naman, 4 cores, 8 threads, hanggang 8 lang lalabas dito. So, depende yan dun sa iyong processor. So, ang gagawin mo lang, click mo lang yung pinaka-maximum. Okay? And, pag na-click mo na yon, ang gagawin mo is pipindutin mo lang tong okay. So baka natatanong nyo, sa maximum memory naman. So wag mo nang galawin yan. So actually, you don't want, no? Ayaw mo na gagamitin ng Windows yung full RAM mo. So hayaan mo na yan, leave it at that. Pero yung number of processors lang ang may pakialam tayo dito. Okay, just click on that okay. And then apply. Pindutin natin yung apply and okay. So para mag-take effect yung nasa ginawa natin sa system configuration, kailangan natin siyang i-restart. So, i-restart lang natin tong system and balik tayo mamaya. Alright, so first let's go with Valorant. Nakikita natin ang average ko is 230 FPS. So this is in medium settings. I'm using the RX 6600 XT and I have i7 10700KF. And so 230, no? Average FPS without configuration siya. Hindi pa natin ginagalaw yung msconfig. Okay, so right now, ito naman with configurations, naka-max out na yung cores natin into 16 and nakikita naman natin yung improvement, nag-around 250, 280 to 300. So nasa average 260 FPS ako for this configuration with all the cores, no, na ginagamit natin sa Windows. 16 cores to. Alright, so right now mag-render naman tayo ng footage from Filmora, no? So I'm rendering a 4K footage to at 1080p resolution. And nakikita natin na mas mabilis itong nasa right natin na with configuration. So nakita natin natapos siya ng 16 seconds and in comparison itong no configuration natapos siya ng 18 seconds. So ayun na nga guys, no, if you want a free performance boost na actually meron ka na, hindi mo lang na ma-maximize ngayon, so you can do this. And so that ends our guide for this video. I hope nakatulong ako. If nakatulong ako sa inyo and nag-performance boost kayo kahit a little bit lang, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course more guides to come. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much guys and bye bye.